Hello guys, today let me show you the magic of yam leaves during the rain. Okay, so you have to take this yam leaves, just apply it like this, rub it, so here it is. So when the rain falls, I think you may not need the wiper. Instead, the rain will just slips it away. So whenever you travel during the rainy days, you can use this trick so that you don't find much difficult traveling during the rainy days. So I hope this trick will work and help you during your travels. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.